Today we're making soft, sweet Italian Easter braided cookies, each with a festive, colorful egg in the center, perfect for spring and Easter celebrations. I'm Kat, owner of Charmin Chic Baking, and welcome to my channel. As always, the ingredients are listed in the description below, and for the colorful eggs, all you do is add a few drops of food color to a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of vinegar and let the eggs sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to absorb. Start by whisking together the all-purpose flour, the tipo 00 flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. In another bowl, or in this case a measuring cup, combine the milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract and give it a good whisk. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients, then pour in all the liquid and the lemon zest. Stir to combine until all the flour is absorbed. Divide the dough into 6 equal pieces, which will be about 150 grams each. Then divide each of those pieces into 3 pieces of 50 grams each. On a lightly floured surface, roll each piece into logs of 12 inches long. Pinch the ends together, then braid the 3 pieces of dough by crossing one piece over another. Then form a ring and pinch the ends together. Add the uncooked colored eggs to the middle of each ring with the fatter side down. If the hole is too large, squeeze it into the egg to secure. Bake the cookies at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes or until lightly golden brown. Don't overbake or they'll be too hard. After the cookies have cooled for at least 1 hour, make a glaze by combining 1 cup of icing sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla flavor. Drizzle the cookies with the glaze, then add some colorful sprinkles. These individual Easter cookies are the perfect light dessert, with a colorful hard-boiled egg to symbolize spring and new beginnings. Thanks for baking with me. If you love these Italian Easter cookies, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share your creations in the comments below. Happy Easter baking!